PowerXL. Life keeps you busy. We help you excel.
Operating your PowerXL grill air fryer combo is very easy and puts the convenience of air frying, grilling, and more right at your fingertips. It is important to review your owner's manual thoroughly to become familiar with how to operate, cleaning, care, and safety. Let's now review the basics. Always make sure your unit is on a flat surface. To turn the unit on, make sure the power cord is plugged in properly. The plug goes into an electrical wall outlet. The digital LED display will illuminate and the fan will turn on briefly. Also, a series of dashes will display. Now, let's look at the One Touch Easy control panel. At the top, you will see two digital display windows. The timer is displayed on the left, and the temperature is displayed on the right. To select a preset cooking mode, there are 12 one-touch preset cooking settings. You can choose from air fry, slow cook, steam, saute, grill, bake, roast, rice, simmer, sous vide, fry, and keep warm. To select a preset mode, simply rotate the control knob to the right or the left, and the selected mode will illuminate. Press the start button and the cooking process for the selected mode will begin. The preset time and temperature will show on the displays. For some cooking modes, the cooking time may be adjusted. Press the timer button next to the timer display on the left and rotate the control knob to the desired setting. The cooking temperature may also be adjusted for some cooking modes. Simply press the temperature button next to the temperature display on the right and rotate the control knob to the desired temperature. The temperature can be changed at any time during the cooking process. Many presets have a delay timer feature that will start the cooking process at a later time. To set your delay, press the delay timer and rotate the control knob to the delay time you would like. To start any cooking process, make sure the inner pot is inserted, and then simply press the start button. The air fryer lid is used for air fry cooking and several other modes. Check your owner's manual to see which modes require the air fry lid. In other cooking modes, keep the air fry lid open, or simply remove it and use the glass lid. To stop and cancel a cooking process, simply press the cancel button. Most presets will keep your food warm until you are ready to serve it. You can adjust the time for keeping food warm by selecting the Keep Warm button and turning the control knob to select the desired time. It's a great idea to consult your owner's manual to find out exactly what each preset does in the cooking process and to review safe cooking guidelines and tips. There's a lot of information that can help make using your PowerXL grill air fryer combo easier and more enjoyable than ever before. That's the operating panel, and that's how operating your PowerXL grill air fryer combo can be one touch easy.
PowerXL. Life keeps you busy. We help you excel.